Hey everyone, welcome to the MedFlix show. I'm Lakshmita
And I'm Vani, just two first year MBBS students trying to survive anatomy.
and talk about stuff that actually matters. And today we're talking about shots. And no, not the ones you take at parties.
These are more important and way less fun.
Unless your idea of fun includes saving lives.
So let's dive into today's conversation topic, awareness on immunization. Okay, Lakshmita, explain. Explain what is immunization. Like I'm 5 or just like I came out of 3-hour biochem lecture?
Oh, I don't think anyone can survive that, but I'll still tell. Immunization is when we train your immune system before it meets a real threat, like a virus or a bacteria. It's like giving it a fake battle so that it learns how to fight the real war later on.
So it's like a practice match before the World Cup?
Exactly, Vani. But in this game, the loser doesn't just lose a trophy, they could lose their life.
Oof, that's dark, Lakshmita. Okay, but why should I even care? I mean, I never got polio.
Because you were vaccinated, genius. Not everyone is as lucky as you, Vani. Some people, they can't get vaccinated. Like kids with cancer, babies too young for certain shots, they rely on herd immunity, which is basically society that's acting like a shield.
So we are all cows now, Lakshmita?
Move along, Vani. We're going to stay focused on the topic.
Okay, Lakshmita. I think people need to realize if we don't vaccinate, we are not just risking ourselves, we are risking the people around us. But there is so much misinformation and people still believe that.
Some do, Vani, which is why awareness even matters. Misinformation spreads faster than viruses these days.
True, Lakshmita. At this point, my uncle trusts WhatsApp more than his doctor.
Bro, we both know that's the real epidemic.
Yeah. Alright, Lakshmita. It's time for us to burst some myths, bring the scalpel of logic, and let's slice and dice.
Myth number 1. Vaccines cause autism.
Total garbage, Lakshmita. One fraudulent paper from decades ago caused that. The doctor even lost his license. It's like blaming your failed semester on the color of your pen.
I don't think anyone has ever done that before. Moving on.
Myth number 2. Natural infection is better.
I mean, sure, if you want to risk paralysis, pneumonia, or even death, Vani, that's like saying falling into a well is a great way to learn swimming.
I would never do that.
And I'm definitely not gonna do. Myth number 3. Vaccines overload your immune system.
Bro, your immune system handles much more on the daily basis. Myth number 4. Vaccine causes infertility.
Definitely not. This myth has been recycled more times than our exam notes. There's literally no scientific evidence that any approved vaccine affects fertility at all. But you know what does affect fertility? Death.
Yeah, it's hard to have kids when you're not alive. And Lakshmita, you know what blows my mind? We eradicated smallpox, one of the deadliest diseases in history. Gone, thanks to vaccines.
And of course, Vani, how can we forget about polio? Wiped out. No magic, no shortcuts, just years of healthcare workers giving one tiny drop to millions of kids.
As in, actually gone, Lakshmita, vanished so much that we don't even remember it.
Similar to our maths marks in 10th grade.
Ouch.
Vani, we may be first years now, but we're still part of the healthcare system.
True, Lakshmita. So let's think about what we can do to play our role in society. First, we can get informed.
Or talk to people, so we can educate our friends and family.
We can be an example. If we take vaccine seriously, others will too.
Exactly. Because somewhere, someone stayed healthy. Because we made the right choice.
Because prevention saves life quietly, and honestly, that's the kind of quiet we could use more.
Definitely, Vani. That's impact. Silent, invisible, and powerful.
So basically, less silent spectators and more vaccine ambassadors.
Exactly. And no, that doesn't require a white coat or a degree. Just common sense and a bit of courage.
So next time you see someone telling vaccines are risky, just ask them, would you rather fight or prevent it? This is Vani.
And this is Lakshmita, signing off from the MedFlix show.
Stay sharp, stay kind, and stay immunized.